Hey Jibo, can you twerk?
If you insist.
Hey there hackers, it's GoldieBlox. And guess what? I'm in a new show. It's called Robot Runway. So basically it's a game show where you battle robots on a runway. I mean, you had me at robots. The losing robot ends up in a pit of slime. And guess who's making the slime? Karina Garcia, because I mean, who else, you know? So to celebrate, we are giving away a robot. What is he doing? Hey Jibo, how are you?
No complaints here.
He's so cute. Okay, when you pet him, he purrs. Hey Jibo, tell us a fun fact about humans.
On average, men get hiccups more often than women.
Interesting. Hey Jibo, do you like robots?
Yes. Wally, R2-D2, and Rosie from the Jetsons. Give robots a good name.
And Robot Runway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Karina's channel, and leave a comment. And of course, you also win a Goldie Squad wrench necklace. Oh yeah, we have an episode. I totally forgot about the episode. We're doing slime today. Spring slime. Without further ado, let's hack your world. Today, we are making an egg out of slime. Emoji egg slime. Oh, she stuck to the spatula. Should use some Pam. For this DIY, you'll need clay, clear school glue, baking soda, white and yellow food coloring, and borax. Mix your glue, baking soda, and clay water. Split it into 2 parts and add in the white and yellow food coloring. Separately, mix a little bit of the borax with more of the clay water. Mix borax into the white glue mixture. Stir until it turns into slime. Repeat with the yellow glue mixture. The cuteness that's about to embark. So I'm making the yolk. The yolk. I love that word. It's like yolk, man. Like yolk. So I'm making it more of a satisfying circle. We all love a good egg. You're doing great, sweetie. Just be a perfect circle. So now we're gonna put the face on it. Some cute eyes. Oh, this is looking great. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I'm gonna try to do this. I love this. It's so cute. That's amazing. I literally love this. You're pretty, but I want to squash it. This is more of an Instagram slime. When you go like your search page, you find her getting made, but no one wants to touch her. Slime is all about this satisfying video, because if it's not satisfying, then no one wants to watch it. But ever thought about random people in their houses just like squishing slime for other people's enjoyment? Isn't that just weird? They have like a big microphone to get like the squish of it. They're just like, gotta get some protection. One hand down, fishing for finger holes. Okay, we're good. Edible spring slime. And she's slimy. Oh, that was so satisfying. Okay, this is edible Starburst slime. It's amazing. It's basically Starburst, cornstarch, and powdered sugar. It's a sugary mess, but it's great. Oh, she's flying. Just look at that. It kind of looks like melted gum, but in a good way. For this DIY, you'll need a big pile of Starburst, powdered sugar, cornstarch, and gloves. Mix together the powdered sugar and cornstarch on a clean, flat surface. Next, melt the Starburst using a double boiler. Once one color is finished, plop it down on the sugar and cornstarch mixture. Knead it into the cornstarch and sugar mixture. You'll want to stretch it thin and pat the mixture all over. I put all of the colors in here and I'm very pleasantly surprised that it's not brown. Artificial color came through and it smells so good. I'm serious. Can you see it? Oh. You can like touch it, get all like slimy with it, but like it's kind of messy. So, you know, just stick to eating it and kind of playing with it. Very sticky. Oh. Okay. And it turned into ramen noodles very quickly. Starburst soup. When you like detach it from your teeth, it's like hard, but it's not hard. It's soft. It's weird, but it tastes good and it's slimy. Sit me in a room with this, I'll be entertained for hours. And for our next tech, we have flower blossom slime. So basically, this slime is gold glitter, fake flower petals, and it smells, oh, I just totally put my face in that. If you could smell it through the camera, and it smells really good because I put shower gel in it. Trust me, it's worth it. It's a good bounce ball too. So like, if you don't want slime, she broke again. You know what? Maybe next time I just won't use as much borax because it's all a science and I got a little borax happy. For this DIY, you'll need clear school glue, shower gel, rose gold glitter, borax, and fake flower petals. Start by mixing the same amount of glue, shower gel, and water. Add glitter and petals. Separately, mix borax and water. Combine both mixtures until the liquid starts to turn into slime. Now it's slime time. I just get so mesmerized with slime. You can just stare at it and play with it for hours. Maybe that's why parents like slime so much. They go play with it. That's it for the spring slime. Comment down below what your favorite slime is. And we're giving away an actual robot, Jibo himself. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Karina's channel, and leave a comment. And you also get a cool squad wrench necklace. And don't forget about the new show, Robot Runway, the battle of the toys and slime. GoldieBlox and Jibo, signing off.